Our lesson for today is round to estimate products. What we will learn today is to solve questions like these. Estimate the product. 3 times 287. So we will do rounding and after that multiply to get the product. The same for the second and third question. And here in this one, estimate to check the answer is reasonable. So in this case we will do the same. We will round first and after that we will multiply to get the answer, which is called the product. Okay, and after that we will see this answer. As you can see, it's answered in here. We have a product already, 3,402. We will see if this is reasonable or not reasonable, if it's near or not to the estimate. Now open your books page what?
102. 102.
Yes, 102. Great. And guys, please do not use your mics during the video. Focus and try to get the main idea of the lesson. Okay?
How can you estimate when you multiply? Let's look at an example. Hoover School is holding a fundraiser. Any class that raises more than $5,000 will earn a prize. Mr. Hector and Mrs. Allen both estimate if their class sold enough items to earn a prize. Is it always necessary to get an exact answer to a problem? Explain. No, sometimes an estimate is all that is needed.
You can use place value to help round numbers. Rounding is one way to estimate products.
For Mr. Hector's class, estimate $4 times 1,930 using rounding. Explain how to round 1,930 to the nearest thousand. Since 9 is greater than 5, round 1,930 to 2,000. The 1 becomes a 2, and the digits to the right of the 2 become zeros. Mr. Hector's class raised more than $5,000. $8,000 is greater than $5,000. His class earns a prize. For Mrs. Allen's class, estimate $3 times 1,150 using rounding. How do you round 1,150 to the nearest thousand? Round 1,150 to 1,000. Mrs. Allen's class raised less than $5,000. $3,000 is less than $5,000. Her class does not earn a prize. Is the estimate greater than or less than the actual amount? How do you know? It is less than the actual amount since 1,150 was rounded to 1,000, and 1,000 is less than 1,150. Since the estimate is less than the actual amount, do you think Mrs. Allen's class might have sold enough to earn the prize if you calculate the actual amount they sold? Explain. No, the estimate is only a little bit less than the actual amount because 1,000 is close to 1,150. The estimate is not close to the amount needed to earn the prize. The class needs to sell almost $2,000 more to earn the prize.
Okay, my dear students, let's see the question. It's about the video in the same page down. down on the same page. Is the estimate of Mr. Hector's class greater than or less than the
Mr.
exact answer? Yes, who's this?
Ibrahim Zamami, I can't see your screen.
Okay, Ibrahim, I think the problem is in your device. You can go out and join again. Okay? And do it quickly.
Okay.
Thank you. There's someone else using the mic. Yusuf, mute your mic, please. Thank you. Yusuf? Thank you. Okay. So, now, before I answer this question, I want to discuss with you, so I want one of my heroes to help me in this discussion. Ahmed Al-Sirhid. Ahmed? Ahmed? Ali Saleh?
What's Mr.?
This is Ali or Ahmed?
I'm Ali.
Okay, Ali. I will ask you a question here. Do you remember in the video? You have it in the book. You have this, okay?
Yeah,
Okay.
I know.
We're now talking about Mr. Hector's class. So the first one in here, okay? It's 4
Okay.
times 1930.
Yes.
And we did round 1930 to 2000. And after that
Yeah.
we multiply. The question is, when you multiply, when you round 1930 to 2000,
Yeah.
you did the rounding is greater than or less than the actual number. 2000
Oh.
is more than or less than 1930.
It's bigger than.
Yes, so here we have the first thing that we look at is to see if it's the rounding is bigger or smaller than the actual number. Okay. And after that we will judge, we will say whether the estimate is more or less than the actual answer, the actual product.
We will say it's greater than.
Yes, so I will write here and you guys write with me that. Okay, sorry, I didn't choose the pen. I will write in here that 2000 is greater than 1930, and that this makes, when we multiply by 4, okay, I will multiply this by 4 and this also by 4, so it will be 4 times 2000, and the second one I want you after that to tell me it's bigger or less. 4 times 1930. Now can you, Ali, can you tell me it's bigger or less? What should I write in here? Greater than or less than? When we multiply,
Greater than.
yes, of course, so it will be greater than. So here the estimate is greater than, the estimate is greater than the exact answer. So I will write here the answer to the question, this question. I will write the answer greater than. Thank you, my hero. Thank you, Ali.
You're welcome.
And this is the reason. Okay? Okay, guys, finish writing quickly. I can share this with you also. Okay guys, finish writing quickly. And after that we will move to the next page. Page 103. We have there another example. Okay, let's go. Okay, you can find this in WhatsApp, and you can write it. Okay. I sent it already to you. In this example, we have Mr. Ham's class sold 1,475 items at $5 per item. Please do not use your mics. He calculates his class raised $2,375. Is Mr. Harm's calculation reasonable? So in this one, our answer should be yes or no. Should be reasonable or not reasonable. Let's see. How to do this? We will multiply 1,000 for
what's the meaning of reasonable?
acceptable or not, near to the exact answer or not, close to the exact answer or not. If it's close, so we accept it. We accept the answer, not the estimation. Okay, we do estimation to know if the answer is right or wrong. The answer is reasonable or not reasonable. If it's not, so it's wrong answer. Okay. Okay guys, let's continue. We will multiply 5 by 1,475 and we will estimate. So we will round this big number 1,475, and as you can see here, we will go to the greatest place value. The greatest place value here is thousands, so we will round this to thousands. So it's 1, and to the right we have 4, and as you know, 4 is not strong, so the 1 will be 1, not 2, because 4 is not strong. So 1,000. And now 5 times 1,000 is 5,000. Let's see his answer. His answer is 2,000. 2,375. Guys, can you see? It's 2,000. And the estimate is 5,000. It's not close. It's not near. So 2,375 is not reasonable because it's not close to 5,000. It's not close to the estimate. Okay. Now we know that we use rounding. Then to estimate the product, we multiply by the rounded number, like this. And after that we can judge whether the answer is reasonable or not, the product is reasonable or not. So guys, we do not judge the estimate, we judge the answer, the product. Okay, so the reason of this is to know if the answer is correct or not correct. Now let's move to the next part. Here we have the guided practice, and we will answer question number 2. مهدي مطوع.
I'm here.
Yes, Mahdi, I want you to help me. Of course, as you can see here, we will multiply 6 by 125 in question number 2. Okay, Mahdi?
Okay.
Good. In this question, we have here
Yes.
125. We will round this number. The greatest.
Mister, did you take the minus 5 from yesterday?
Who's speaking?
6,000. Me, Yusuf. Did you take the minus 5 from yesterday?
Okay, Yusuf, I will call you after your friend. Okay? I will see what you want. Okay, guys, focus with me in this one, because if you understand this one, you will understand the whole lesson. So we will not round 6. It's 6 already. Times. Mahdi, we will round to nearest 100. Why to nearest 100? To nearest greatest, the greatest place value. It's hundreds. So 100, it will be 100 or 200?
200.
Can you see to the right of the 1? We have 2. And 2 is strong or weak?
Yeah. Not change.
Yes,
Not
so
put 2.
yes, so it will be 100 or 200?
100.
100. So I will write here 6 times 100. And okay, sorry. And as you know, 6 times 100 equals
600.
great. So the is again. And the estimate will be 600. So the first question, the answer is 600. And guys, write this also. You need to write it. Okay?
Okay.
Thank you, Mahdi. You're truly a hero. Okay, Yusuf.
What, mister?
Okay, Yusuf. In fact, all your minus, you can erase it when you do better, okay? Because
Yeah, but
all of it,
will
because I called you and you didn't respond. I want you to respond. Okay?
I tell you something? But my
Okay, not
laptop
now.
yesterday was broken a little bit.
Okay, no problem, Yusuf. So today I will erase it for you. It was for yesterday, and now you can help me with question number 3 to make this correct.
Okay.
Yes. Now the 4, we will write it as it is, and this number 2610, we will round it to the nearest 1000 because 2 is the greatest place value. The greatest means the last from the left. The last one in the left, which is in the left. Okay, so the 2 will be 2 or go up to be 3.
The 2 will go up to be 3
So-
because the 6 is more.
Yes, great. So it will be 3000. And remember with me, when we multiply, we put the zeros and multiply 4 by 3. Let's do this. Put the zeros. How many zeros? 1, 2, 3. So we have 3 zeros. Okay. And now 3 times 4.
3 times 4 equal
Yes.
equal 12.
Great. So it's 12,000. The estimate is 12,000. Thank you, Yusuf. Great work. Abdullah Al-Qadi. Abdullah.
It's so hard. I can't understand it.
This is Ahmed again. Ahmed, don't use your mic.
Yes, mister.
Abdullah.
Yes.
Okay, you tell me what we should do. In question number 3, we should round the first or the second number. The first, yes. And here we have 5 in hundreds. It will be 5 or go up to be 6.
5.
Yes, because we have to the right 3 and 3 is not strong. So it's 500. Right?
Yes.
We multiply 500 by 3 to get the estimation. Now, give me the answer. How many zeros? How many zeros?
3. 3.
Are you sure? These are 3 zeros?
No, not 2.
Yes, we have 2 extra zeros. And after that, multiply 5 by 3. 5 multiplied by 3,
50.
15. So, ones, tens, hundreds, I will put a comma in here. So the answer is 1,500. This is the
Yeah.
estimate. Thank you. Thank you, Abdullah. And Ahmed. Ahmed Wael.
Yeah.
Okay, Ahmed, you said that you can't understand this and you said it's
Huh?
very hard. Okay,
Yeah.
you will solve question number 5 and I will not help you. Go ahead. We will estimate the first or second.
Right, 300
Yes, it will be 300. Great.
multiply 7.
Great. And how many
That's
zeros?
it.
Yes.
Wait a minute.
Yes.
21.
Yes. And how many zeros? 21 and how many zeros? Yes, it's
2.
21 and 2 zeros. Yes. So the
9.
answer, okay, Ahmed. Please, Ahmed, do not use your mic without permission again, okay?
Okay.
In each lesson, I will make you understand it, but you can't use your mic without permission. This is a rule. You should follow the rules. Thank you, Ahmed.
Okay.
Great work. Okay, guys, finish writing quickly. And now let's move to the next part.
Teacher,
Yes.
if we now multiply a small number with a big number like 100,
Yes.
it's like multiplying 5 multiply 10 equals 50, but it's different.
Okay, I'm not following you. Again? Ask again. When you multiply.
Yeah, when I
By?
multiply a small number with a big number,
Yes.
like 5 and multiply 1000 or 100, it's the same like multiplying a small number with a 10.
Okay, who's this?
Muhammad Allah Shaban.
Okay, Muhammad, yesterday we learned how to multiply by 500, 3000, like this, right?
Yeah.
That's all needed now.
Oh.
Okay, and after that we will study something else. Okay,
Okay.
so just follow.
Okay.
Okay, thank you, my hero. Okay, guys, let's move to the next part, the independent practice. And now I give you 1 minute, only 1 minute, to solve questions 6, 7, 8. You have 1 minute. Go ahead. And guys, remember that if you don't keep the timetable, you will get minus. I told you yesterday.
Teacher,
Yes?
راوند شو اسمه هذا الراوند وال200 وهذا شو اسمه وش يعني فيه مساحة وش اكتب فيها؟ ما فهمتها عدل.
Okay, who's this?
علي الغافلي.
Okay, Ali. I can solve the first one and you solve 7 and 8, okay? Okay, to solve this one, I want Haytham.
I finish.
Great.
بس الله
Okay, guys, do not use your mic. Okay, thank you. Haytham? Haytham? Not here? Ibrahim Al-Halafawi?
Yes.
Okay, Ibrahim, I want you to help me in solving question 6. So, we will round 287. It will be what? To the nearest hundreds, because the hundreds is the last digit. To nearest hundreds. The 2 will be 2 or 3. Ibrahim, to the right we have strong number, strong digit. So it will be 300, right? Right? Ibrahim? Okay or no? I can't hear you well, Ibrahim. So now we multiply 3 by the rounded number, which is 300. Ibrahim, what's the answer for 3 times 300? 3 times 3 is Ibrahim, 3 times 3.
900?
Yes, 3 times 3 is 9, and we have 2 zeros. So the estimate is 900. Thank you, Ibrahim. And guys, you have 1 minute to finish 7 and 8. Thank you, Ibrahim. Okay guys, let's continue. Abdulaziz Al-Abbad. Abdulaziz Al-Abbad.
What, teacher?
Yes. Solve question number 7. I will not help you. Tell me what to do.
Six.
The
Teacher, can I say thing?
No. The 1310 rounded, it will be 1000 or 2000.
2000?
Wrong. We have 3 to the right.
1000?
Why 1000? Right, it's 1000. Why?
There is the 3, it would be
Yes, the 3.
300.
No. Because we round the 1 and we have to the right a digit that is not strong. 3 is not strong. The strong digits are 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 5, 6 and go on. These are the strong digits. So 3 is not strong. And then we will make 1 as it is 1. So we will write here 1000. And now 6 times 1000 is it's 6
3?
times 1.
6, 1.
Hmm. 6 times 1.
6 times 1, 7.
No, times, not plus. Okay, you need to keep the timetable. And 6 times 1 is 6. And we have extra 3 zeros. So 6 and 3 zeros. So the estimate is 6,000. Abdulaziz, you need to keep the timetable. I will not give you minus today, but I want you to keep the timetable, okay?
Teacher,
And it's easy, 6 times
Teacher.
1. Thank you, Abdulaziz. Yes, who's this?
me علي الغافلة.
Yes, Ali again.
I finished it all.
Okay, Ali. I need also to finish it. So please give me time. Do not waste
I finished
time.
all and
Ali, please don't.
I finished
You
9
don't
and
need to
10
waste
and 8.
time. Ali,
Okay.
if you have a question for yourself, you can send it to me on WhatsApp. Daniel,
Yes.
okay, my hero, help me with question number 8. Go ahead. We will round the greater one, which is 62. Round the 6.
70.
It will be 70 or 60. You will make the 6 to be 7.
60. No, 60.
60. Yes, because 2 is not strong. So I will write here 60. Now, 9 times 6. Go ahead, my hero. 54 or 45?
54.
54, right. And how many zeros?
0, 1, 0.
So the answer, the estimate is 540.
140.
Thank you, my hero. And let's move to the next question. Malik. Malik Tamer. Yes, this is Malik. Okay, Malik, question number 9. This time we will make an estimation, and after that, choose reasonable or not. Okay, go ahead. 400. It will be 400 or 500. Quickly.
500 because the 6 is bigger.
Wow, great. So now 7 times 500. 7 times 5.
7 times 5.
Yes.
7 times 5. Oh, 35.
Thank
so
you,
it's
great.
3,500.
Wow, thank you, my hero. My hero, look at this answer. Is it reasonable? This one, 3,402. Is it near, close to 3,500? Yes or no?
Yes.
So the answer is reasonable. Okay. Thank you, my hero. And let's move to another one to solve question number 10. And Muhammad Zaki. Muhammad Zaki.
Yes, I'm here.
Yes, Muhammad. Question number 10. 1,000. It will be 1,000 or 2,000? This 1,000. It will be 1 or 2,000? What? What?
1,000.
1,000 because to the right we have a weak digit. So this is here 1,000. And 5 times 1,000 is 1 times 5 is, yes? Yes. I can't hear you. Hey man, are you with me? You're not here? So guys, it's 5,000, and as you can see here, 9,000, 9,000, 5,000. It's not close, so the answer is not reasonable. Okay, let's move to another hero. And Salman Busbeh.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, Salman, the last question.
287. 8.
Yes, it will be.
This 8 is 7 is greater, so it will be 3. This.
You mean 8 is strong, so the 2 will be?
It's 300.
So it's 300, yes. Now, 9 times 3 is?
9 times 3 is 27,000.
2 zeros, not 3 zeros.
Yes.
So it's 2,700. Now, it's reasonable or not? This answer is reasonable or not?
It is not.
Not!
I mean, it is.
Yes, it is reasonable.
But
It's near, it's close to 2,700. Thank you, my hero. And you know, guys, the last thing we will do is the quiz. Okay? And now, please do not use your mics. I will send it